Well, folks, we got our first official load here on the old load trail, the new load trail, not the old one. I don't know why I said that. But anyways, we got the in-laws golf cart here strapped down with some cheap ones, but they don't need to hold that much weight, so they'll be just fine. That sucker tied down, and then my old quad from high school that's still running great, that is on here as well with some more official straps right here. Look at them suckers right through the hoops like they're supposed to. And yeah, the first load. Oh man, we're in the sun. We got to go around the other side. DC, what you doing over there, boo? Let's see if we can get in the sun here. Now we're facing the right way. I'm gonna have a shadow, but look, it looks so cool with loads on it. Yes, just got to put the ramps up in the back and take these things away. But first load in the books, something nice and light and easy to start things off, and we'll progress as we go. But again, we don't need to haul heavy things to have fun with this sucker. Just more room, the merrier. Get everybody's stuff on here, and away we go. To the channel, everybody. Today we are going to need the load trail behind me here, so we are going to get this set up and use this for today's video. We need to go over to Ovi's shop, pick this sucker up, and take you guys for a first drive in this thing. I've never driven it. Ovi's driven it a couple times. Maybe get some reactions, maybe get the fam out and just enjoy it for the weekend and then get it back over to his shop. But just wanted to take some time to use the trailer before winter and show you guys a little bit of the before we tear into this sucker even a little bit more. So let's get over to the shop, guys, and we'll see you there. All right, well, we have effectively made it over to the shop, to Ovi's, and boy, did the trailer tow great. It just purrs behind the Duramax, no problem at all. Love this trailer so far. If you guys didn't see the video where we picked this up, go back and check that sucker out. But we are going to load up something else here at the shop today. You've probably seen it in the thumbnail and in my little intro spiel, but we will go inside the shop here, see what's going on next. And voila, we got Razor Nation going on in here. Look at this booger over here. Well, we got some new stickers on there. Oh, Raz. Look at her. She is a ripper. Guys, the hexagon lighting, absolutely crazy. The old wheels from the Ranger, but we are not taking this sucker today. We are going to take this mammoth behemoth right here. This thing is super crazy. It's massive. It is going to get redone, but we need to see what it does in its form currently. So that's what we're gonna try to do this weekend, is take this booger out and see. This is massive. Go back and watch the video where we introduced this initially if you want, but we gotta figure out how to get this sucker onto the trailer next. Ovi said he borrowed the battery for his gooseneck, so we're gonna pull the battery off of here. Not show you too much of this because we're gonna show you the trailer boards later, but we will go ahead and get that battery pulled and try to get this sucker out the door and on the trailer so we can start our weekend. Bam! Okay, so we successfully got the Ranger on there, and boy, it fit just perfect between the fenders. Look at them 35s and 22s. Them things are massive. This thing sits like a beast, and the headlights work. That's even cooler. So we were just doing a strap check, making sure everything's nice and tight for the flight back, and we are going to get this sucker back on the road and take you guys out for some action. We'll see you there. Well, little change of plans. It is back home in the garage for tonight. It started raining, so we're going to hold off tomorrow to get this sucker out and ripping. But look at how tall. It barely even fit in the garage, and it is comparable to the Duramax and just towers over the cart. Look at how big them 35s are. Those are 33s and 24s, 35s and 22s. So yeah, take your pick, but this sucker is locked and loaded. We'll see y'all in the morning. All right, guys, it is officially the next day, and we are all set to ride. It rained all day yesterday, but now that we are over here, we can get this sucker offloaded and go on its maiden voyage, at least for me. Tear up some fields here, some back roads, and just have some fun out here with the fam. So it rode great over here, no issues found, and we will get right to the action, guys. Here we go. Now that she's off the trailer, we can go ahead and get our GoPro mounted to the windshield. We'll slap that sucker right on there to get a POV drive along. This sucker just wants to go. It does rub on the corners, I noticed, and that CV shaft is gone, but it'll be okay. We got a little bit of the Honda Civic camber stance going, but none of us too worried about it. We're just gonna go out and rip. That's what it's all about. All right, GoPro's on and rolling. Now we can come up to our door here. Flip over, handle comes up, door swings open. Nice big seat, a little step up here. Nice sand down there. So hop up in, close this sucker, and look at how protected you are. You gotta put your arm way up to even see over that. But anyways, key here, give that sucker a crank. And listen to that exhaust. It's got must have an aftermarket exhaust, but I like the LED lights, them are on. Like I said, four-wheel drive may or may not work. This is how you shift the gears up here, so we can put it in any gear, park, reverse, low, or high. We're gonna keep it in high, that's the way to go. Let's head out, do a quick run, guys. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, try not to hit anything either. Whee! Oh yeah, we are so high up here, this thing. This thing is fun. It's so big, but it needs to be so it can crawl over anything. Like nothing. Woo! Just skating, boy. Fling a little mud, maybe? We mud flinging out here? And it keeps the wind off you. The wind is freezing today, but this thing blocks it real good. Come out here again. There we go. Just want to launch it off something now. Whoa! Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Oh, that mic's probably catching all the wind noise. All right. Let's get back over to the trailer here so some other people can take a spin. This thing's a unit now. So yeah, that was an absolute riot. Love it already. Back door opens up too. Nice and easy. I zip tied the back seat rest on for now because the tabs on the top broke off. That door will not latch, so I zip tied it shut, and the other front door is jammed, so you can only get in the left side of this sucker for now, but that is okay. We're going to keep the action going nonetheless. Maybe try to get the drone out here next or something. And the taillights stay on for a minute too when it kicks off, just like your car. So again, if this just had a nice custom paint job and a new cage, this sucker will be an absolute unit, guys. You just can't beat these things. A lot of fun. Razor, Ranger, whatever you got, just out here in God's country in the great outdoors. Now it's Mama's turn to drive. You ever driven one of these?
No.
Perfect, me neither. You're gonna be great. So it's already in gear, so all you gotta do is gas and turn. That's it. And it turns kind of terribly like everything we have, minus the Jeep.
So no sharp turns.
Yeah, no Sharpies. Let's see how you do. And it will tear up grass, so.
Perfect.
Oh boy. I'm gonna end up hitting my head on this cage, I can tell already.
I don't know if I'm gonna go this way.
Oh yeah. Okay. It'll go. Oh, natural.
I feel like I have to turn a lot to get it to turn.
I know. That's steering, boy. Oh, there we go. Now we got a little. We definitely got something knocking there, boss. But what that is, probably the tire. So this she's a knocker. Bam, 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 bam. Folks, pretty sure that wheel belongs on there. We just come around the corner and that sucker came right off. I had a bad feeling with that CV shaft being missing, but we got Wes out here. He's gonna help us out.
Not really.
Not really. This sucker don't even want to start, does it? Oh yeah, it sheared it right off, didn't it? Oh boy. We'll get her figured out here. But yeah, that's a bust right there, ain't it? We got to get her back on the trailer somehow. Now all we got to do is hook the winch up, pull it back up right, and try to get this wheel back on there and put a couple of these beautiful spiked lugs, which should have been on there anyway because they look better, but it looks better without the wheel. More style points. Ovi, I swear, you better let me borrow this again once I fix it. Maybe we just won't show you. Oh shoot, right when Wes showed up too. Brought the big guns in and this one grenaded, go figure, but we're out here trying. Hey, nice sweatshirt too, the loop, official. And just like that, tire is back on, held on by 3 locking nuts on there now. We actually found a set inside the Ranger here, so we went ahead and used these. There was a whole set. It's almost like it was meant to fall off, so we had some good help out here, and now we're gonna be ready to get it back on the road here. So let's see if it goes. Close our door. Oh yeah. All right, Obi, we can be friends again, buddy. I fixed it. Oh yeah, easy money. Well, it don't do that, does it? Jeez! Show off. Man, making us look bad out here. All right, guys, we gotta get home. We gotta get back before it gets dark, and we'll get this sucker on the trailer. Okay, we are back. It is the next day. We made it back to the shop. This trailer is very little fun to try to back up in the dark, which is what we had to do at home last night. But let me get inside the shop here, because holy cow, it is windy as ever. Whoa, let the camera adjust. All right, so anyways, guys, that was an absolute riot. The Ranger was a blast. If you wanted Ovi's reaction, he said the only thing that got ruined that was nice was the grass. He thought that was hilarious with the wheel falling off, as did us, of course. You just got to have fun with these things, right? So let us know in the comments what you guys think. What should Ovi do to that Ranger? What color, etc. And future projects and builds. Make sure you guys do stick around. Give it a big thumbs up. Keep us going, and we will see y'all in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.